and I did my eyebrows, I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer to actually clean up my brows and to prime them today, because I don't want anything that's too thick. So I'm taking it in Deep Tan. These concealers are really good coverage as well. They're just not super thick like my Anastasia concealer is. And I'm going to set it down with my Fenty Beauty Cashew setting powder right here. Okay, so this look is going to consist of one palette. So I'm trying to do a traditional, like, Christmassy holiday gold glitter look. So I'm taking my Morphe palette right here, and this is the 35R. So as you can tell, it has those really nice gold shades. So first we're going to start with the transition color. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to use that as my transition color. I really love using these Morphe palettes. I haven't used them in a very, very long time, but they're like one of my faves. I'm just going to take this and just put it right into my crease area and just blend this out. Okay, then next we're going to add some drama. So I really want to go in with a super dark shade and then have like a, what is it called? Like a have like an opposite shade of the gold. So I'm going to take, let's do like a dark brown. Yeah, I think I'm gonna mix these two shades. So that one has a little bit of warming to it, and that one's like mostly almost black. I'm gonna put it on my outer V. So y'all all know how I blend shadows into my outer V. I kind of just pack them on and I blend it kind of into my crease, and I also bring it down. Next, I'm going to take the same concealer I used to carve out my brows. I'm taking one in tan. It's a little bit lighter, and I'm going to cut out my crease, sort of like a cut crease. I'm going to try to make it as straight as possible. But if I see it going downhill, we're just going to mayday, bring it back. And we're just going to do like a regular eyeshadow, hold over the lid eyeshadow type of thing. Decide if I want to stop right here or bring it all the way over. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to use that to apply all over my lid. For the glitter, I'm just taking this gold glitter right here. It's from Glitter My World, and it's Golden Tiara. So it's just a pure like gold glitter right here. And I'm going to apply it on top of my NYX glitter primer. Ooh. Okay, it's not the best cut crease, but it will work. For eyeliner, I'm going with an array of eyeliners. I'm taking the Slay Bella one and also the Kat Von D. And I'm just going to see which one works better on top of this glitter. So you're just going to make a wing. I want it kind of thick because it is like a super glam look. But first I'm going to start with the Slay Bella. So now I'm going to find some lashes. I'm going to put on these ones. These are the LE19s, the luxury eyelashes. I'm going to put on these ones with my sand glue, same technique. I'm going to prime with my Wet n Wild matte to matte face primer right here. So the foundation I'm going to use, I actually have a new foundation. I haven't used it. It's from All Made, and I got it from Ulta. It's the All Made Clear Complexion Maximum Strength Acne foundation right here. I'm gonna see what the color looks like without adding anything to it. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of this 330 Matte and Poreless foundation from Maybelline. I'm gonna use this big old beauty blender from Real Techniques to blend this out. Now we need to go in and we need to conceal under our eye to knock out that orangeness. So I'm going to take the two concealers that I used to do my under eye. Not my under eye. To prime my eye. So I'm taking the one in deep tan. Next I'm going to take the same concealer in a darker shade in very deep, and I'm going to contour. This isn't going to contour me too much, but it's going to give me a nice contour. Now, the key to any look is the setting powder. If the setting powder is not up to par, the look is going to look crazy. So I'm going to make sure I go in and I blend out my under eye. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder in translucent. And I'm using this little brush because it doesn't add too much powder. It will look really bad if I had this really bold look, and then my eyes, I had these really bold eyes, and then my face was like really bold and cakey and stuff. It would just look really, really bad. So I feel like going in with a soft hand with the powder will just make it look a little bit more flawless and not as cakey. For blush, I'm going to take this blush that I got from TJ Maxx. I can't remember who was by, but it's just this pink blush right here. I'm just going to use a teensy bit, because we all know where blush can go if you're not careful. So we glamming. We just ain't going overboard. I'm going to take the brownish shade, the top one that I used. It's with that darker one. I'm going to use that to do our waterline. And for highlight, I'm going to take an eyeshadow from this palette as a highlighter. So I'm going to take this shade right here, mix with that one. It looks like Trophy Wife. Okay, and for lips, I'm going to take the Nicka K chocolate lip liner and then the Fenty Beauty uncensored liquid lipstick, a red. We already know it's holiday, your usual holiday traditional red. So this is the end of the look, you guys. I hope you enjoy. It is a regular traditional gold lid with a red lip for the holidays. Y'all know I don't do shit like this. I don't do nothing this bold or whatever. I really like the eye. It's my first time doing a cut crease. I think it looks pretty good for my first time. Like, I can really see myself wearing this look like for something spectacular though. You know, sit in the living room for Christmas. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you decide to recreate this look, definitely tag me so I can watch it and like it and share it. Also, don't forget to like this video. Comment down below any of the videos you want to see from me. Also, go ahead and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Being Talisa, become a part of the gang. Gang, gang, period. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. You already know what I'm about to say. Peace.
Me and them hear what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me I done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them